Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a different type of license plate frame by Billfaro. This version doesn't have holes that go all the way through it. Let's get it installed and check it out. Big thank you to Billfaro for providing the product for this video. This Corvette C8 license plate frame is a black powder-coated aluminum. It has a design on it that mimics the grille openings on the rear of the Corvette, and it's finished in a matte black. It has 4 mounting holes, 2 up top and 2 along the bottom. These don't come with the frame, but I added little rubber bump stops to make sure I don't scratch the paint. The frame I had installed previously had these holes in it, which look fantastic, but over time you get a lot of dust and dirt and debris behind there. And in order to clean it, you have to take the frame off every single time. It gets a little bit time consuming and annoying. So I'm going to remove this one and install the new one that I have in hand. I've taken off the black covers and I have a security bit to make sure the frame's not stolen. Now I also have my license plate attached with some double-sided tape to make sure it doesn't fall off. Now you can see just how dirty it gets behind that license plate frame. And I've taken it off a couple of times to clean it, yet you can see just how dirty it is. Using Meguiar's quick detailer and a microfiber cloth, I just take it and clean over this whole area. So installation is really easy. As I said, I've got double-sided tape on the back of my plate, so I just put it up in place and then lay the license plate frame over the top of that. Line up your bolts and screw them in. And I have black protective dust caps to go over the top. It's got a nice finished look to it, and it's going to make it a lot easier to keep clean. I did finally secure the license plate frame with all 4 bolts in the end. As you can see, this is really easy to install. It's just 2 bolts, or 4 bolts depending how you want to mount it. And this one doesn't have holes that go all the way through. So unlike the previous one, where there was holes in it, and dirt and dust and debris can get inside there, you have to take it off to clean it, this one, you can just wipe it over and you're good to go. I think this has a nice finished look to it and will make it a lot easier to keep clean. If you like it, there's a link to the product in the video description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.